Hey guys, it's Geek Out Everything, and today in this video we'll be doing unboxing and the review of these Plextone gaming earphones, and the model name is G30. I have already reviewed the previous version of these, which was G15, so you can check that out. So let's see what is hidden under the box and what they have to offer. So let's just move to the contents of the box. So the first thing that we have is a case, which is a really nice case, and I'm really glad that they have included it, and it's not like of bad quality or something like that. It is actually really good, and we have some more accessories in this, so let me just show you. And let's just look at the accessories first. So these are some of the accessories that we have in this box. So as you can see, there's a manual or something like that, I'm not sure. And yeah, let's just look at the case first. So let me just open it, and as you can see, we have a extender, whatever that is. You can extend the length of your earphones by just using this, and we also have some more ear tips and some ear supporters also. So yeah, and guys, there's one thing that they have included really nice amount of accessories, which is really nice gesture. And the case is also of a pretty good quality. As you can see, this is the hard case, so you can use it. And this is the external microphone. Yeah, external microphone in earphones, which makes it different from other earphones. So yeah, that is actually what it is. And in the later part of the video, I'll give you audio sample. And this is the splitter. So if you want to use it with the desktop PC, then you can do the same with this one. And now let's just look at the earphones itself. And as you can see, these are the earphones itself, and they actually looks pretty different from other earphones. Yeah, as you can see, the housing is actually kind of big. So now let's just talk about the cable quality of these earphones. And guys, definitely they are made up of flat style cable, and yeah, it's not braided or something like that, but the quality of the rubber is good. It's not the best I've seen, but yeah, it does the job pretty well, and I don't have any kind of serious complaint with this one. So it does the job pretty well, and I'm really sure that you will not gonna have any kind of problem with this one. So yeah, that is actually what it is. And this is the 3.5mm headphone plug, which looks to be rugged, and it's gold plated as well. And this is the microphone housing, or you can say the module. So yeah, here we have a microphone mute button. You can unmute or mute the button, so that's nice. And we also have a volume slider instead of button, so that is actually really nice. And this is the same feature that we have in the previous version, which was G15. And at the back of this, we have one more button to take or end calls, so that's nice. And yeah, so that's what it is. And this sliding feature is actually really good, guys. It's made up of plastic, I know, but it could be better if it's made up of metal. But yeah, that's what we have. And this is one more thing, which is a clip that you can use. Yeah, I like to use these clips, but yeah, that's totally upon you. And this is the external microphone that we have, and later I will give you some samples with the internal microphone and this external microphone, by which you will get an idea about the sound quality of both of these mics. And it is actually really good feature, I think, because yeah, if you're gaming, then you need a good quality sound, then it will do the job pretty well. And guys, you will be the judge. I will just give you samples. So yeah, and this mic is also pretty flexible, so I'm sure you will not get any kind of problem with the mic. Hey, the audio that you're hearing is recorded via the internal microphone of these G30 earphones, so you can compare between the internal and the external microphone of these earphones. So yeah, that is what it is. Hey guys, the audio that you're hearing is recorded via the external microphone of these G30 earphones, by which you will get an idea about the difference between the internal and the external microphone sound quality. So yeah, so now let's just move on to the build quality and the sound quality of these earphones. So in terms of the build quality, yeah, as you can see, they are made up of plastic, but it doesn't matter that much. Yeah, it could be better if it's made up of metal or something like that, but yeah, it's not like they are made up of cheap plastic or anything like that. They are made up of fairly good quality plastic, and it does not bother me a lot. So guys, now let's just talk about the sound quality of these earphones, and that is the part where they really shines. Yeah, if you are gaming, then these earphones are must buy, guys. If you are a kind of gamer who likes earphones rather than headphones because of the nice sound isolation, then these are the one to go. Yeah, if you are playing competitive games like PUBG or anything like that, then they will just really help you to predict from where the enemy is coming, because the sound effects of the games is much highlighted in these earphones. The sound of the guns are much better in these earphones, simply because if I just compare these earphones with my normal earphones, which are C200 SI from JBL's, then in terms of the gaming, guys, yeah, the crown goes to this one because they are actually really good. The surround is also actually much better as compared to the C200 SI or any normal earphones. So if you are a kind of gamer or wants to buy a gaming earphones under 2000 rupees, then these are the one you can go for. And yeah guys, that is actually what it is. I just talk about the things that I don't like about these earphones, and there's one thing that I did not like about these earphones is the weight. Yeah, as compared to the normal earphones, the weight in these ones is a little bit more, but I don't know how you feel, but that's my own opinion, but you have to be aware of that. But yeah, you can use that clip if you are feeling that the weight is a little bit more, but yeah, apart from that, there is no problem. They are actually really good, and you can just have a look at these if you are a kind of gamer who loves gaming and want a nice sound isolation. So yeah guys, that is actually what it is. And if you want to buy these earphones, then guys, I have link in the description. That's the Amazon link. If you want to buy these, just buy from that link. It does help the channel out. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike, you know what to do. But if you like, get subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really helpful if you do that. And yeah, goodbye guys, see you later in my next video. Goodbye.